you know, tell me, since the time season first talk sa Intramuros, nakinig kami. Tell me, was there a time that you guys were able to hold a barangay dito? Influence, yes. Because tinatakot ninyo pagkagabi na. Pero magsabi, physically occupy a town, even a barangay, the smallest, and proclaim independence or belligerency. Tell me, kayong mga Pilipino, kayong pumapasok pa, putang ina ninyo, mamamatay na lang kayo, iniiwan ninyo pamilya ninyo. Kaya ako nagalit nung sabi ko itong mga babae na ito, that led to that cry for women's Bisaya yan. It's an idiom sa Bisaya yung mga ganun, yung mo, wala talaga. Puro patay, hindi na nakikita ng nanay pati tatay. Ang doors itong mag-asawa, Sus Maria Silva. Hindi ka naman kailangan ng pagkaganon, alisin ko na lang yung mga national high school dyan sa malalayong lugar. Kung hindi pa naman pasokan ng rason yung utak ninyo. You have not scored a victory. Itong Finland, I'm going to propose to Congress to abolish kung i-privatize mo naman, Sus Maria Josep, walang pera, sino insurance mo? Kung sabihin ng mga kapitalista sa insurance, kami ang magbayad, pero wala kayong pundo. That is why we are selling properties. That's the reason why we are selling properties, real estate properties in Japan. Because we have to raise money. Wala nang pambayad yung sa PhilHealth na yan kung kaya walang ibang remedy dyan. It must be a surgical move. Talagang kung hindi paalisin ko sans itong mga civil service. Create a new agency out of the ruins of that old man. Hindi na pwede, Secretary Doge. Hindi na pwede na itong mga tao na ito, they're already entrenched na. Walang mayari. Talagang either I'm going to revamp, consider everybody resign there. And if there is a structure, we can slowly and yung disband yung ibang just is simple. I mean, as simple as it could ever be. That's what I mean. So yun those are my thoughts sa mga kababayan. If I offended you with bad words, sabi ng pare, bad words. Kasi kami noon, ewan ko, marami nang namatay sa classmate ko. Kaya pa siya si Dominguez. So, kababata ko yan. Noon mo, sa eskwela, sa Ateneo, during our time, if you are heard or caught speaking in the vernacular, jogging ka tawag, jogging is 1,000 words after school, you are detained there. I will not talk, and I will always talk in English. 1,000 words after school. You are detained there. I will not talk, and I will always talk in English. Maski na pabaluktot ka pa English dyan, kailangan English ka. I don't know if it has improved my character or not. Lahat kami nun, makapagsalita ng ngayon yan, gawain mo sa akin, deport kita. Why should I not talk in the vernacular? This is my country. You have to teach me another way of doing it, but not as a sort of a punishment just because I'm talking in Visaya. Yun lang po. Telco, it's school time. About a good percentage of our studentry are really dependent already on itong mga Facebook and whatever learning that they could get from there. Pero yun din ang, democracy comes with a price. Kita yung sinabi mo niya kanina, may nagbabastos. It originated from a parochial private mga madre. I'm not hindi ko naman sinasabi madre. Gagaling lang doon. I was being asked kanina by kami nag-uusap kung what sort of punishment. So, if minor, we'll have to deal with a minor. Minor is minor. Pero kung matanda na yan, padala mo sa Manila, sampalin ko lang. Yes, Secretary Anyo. Ikaw ang magsampal?
Nag-usap-usap na po kami nila. Senator Bongo po. Nag-iimbestiga na po ang DepEd at saka ang Philippine National Police. At magbibigay po kami ng aming rekomendasyon. Maganda po talaga na tuluyan ang kaso ito para huwag pong pamarisan.
You know why? It is the Facebook is as wide as the universe. Ang use yan, it can create, not bastos, create trouble, or wala nang magawa.